How to use a digital notebook in GoodNotes6. Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll guide you through how to use the digital notebook in GoodNotes6. Our notebook comes with a variety of covers and note pages, so you can easily customize it to fit your personal style. Let's get started. Step 1. Importing your notebook. First, make sure you know where the downloaded notebook file is stored on your device. Open the GoodNotes app. 1. Tap the plus button in the top left corner and select Import File. 2. Locate and select the downloaded notebook file. This will import the notebook into GoodNotes. Once the notebook is imported, open it from your Documents list. The notebook includes multiple covers and note templates. Step 2. Using hyperlinks. 1. To use the hyperlinks, switch to read-only mode by tapping the pencil icon in the top right corner. 2. In read-only mode, you can navigate through different sections and note templates by tapping the hyperlinks. Step 3. Selecting a notebook cover. 1. To keep your preferred cover and delete the others, tap on the thumbnail view. 2. Select the covers you want to remove and tap the trash icon to delete them. Step 4. Copying and pasting note paper. 1. Go to the template page where all available templates are listed. 2. From the template page, select the template you want to copy. 3. To duplicate the template, tap on the 3 dots icon and select Copy Page. 4. Navigate to the location where you want to paste the template. 5. After tapping the plus button, select the desired position before or after the existing pages. 6. Choose Paste Page to insert the copied template. You can add as many note pages as you want by selecting either the Current Template or Paste Page, allowing you to customize your notebook with the desired number of note pages. Step 5. Writing text. Using the pen tool. 1. Tap the pen icon to switch to edit mode. 2. Select the pen tool and choose your desired pen type. 3. Write directly on the page as if you were writing on paper, using the text tool. 1. Go to where you want to add text and tap the T-Text tool. 2. Select the spot where you want to create a text box and enter your desired text. 3. Adjust the font, size, color, style, and position of the text as needed. You can use these 2 methods to easily add text. You can create digital notebooks as needed using the same method. We hope this video helps you make the most of your new digital notebook. Start enjoying more convenient note-taking in GoodNotes6 with our notebook, which includes handy hyperlinks. Thank you for watching.